we must stick together. He didn't in the beginning, but came back to stream and sell this. Okay, so maybe he did it like really quickly. I don't know. I didn't see it, and I had my ad in the chat for a while too. First person when you're aiming. Do you like first person? Is that like your thing? I've been actually trying to host him lately too, but he's usually his timing is off. Is different now.
We are not alone.
Hey, dudes, I forgot to feed my goldfish. I'll see you back at the.
Well, if it ain't two of my best customers.
I love this guy.
Incognito? What are you doing down here?
I had a small run-in with the cops concerning a suck cannon upgrade that was mistakenly sold to a minor. I swear the kid looked 18. Anyway, I need to find a less conspicuous place to do business. I take it you two are still in the market.
Well, let's see what you've got.
Good news, and we do have that, so we will get the discount. So here goes the lava gun, as someone mentioned, lava gun, and then the mini turret gun. The mini turret gun was like one of my favorites. And we do have that, so we will get the thing. We play both of the two games. He's seen the hosts are also cool and good streams, no pressure cash. No, well, one, I'm a pretty cool guy myself. But no, Coach is a really cool guy. I actually, when he was streaming, he was like kind of like he had no stream team, and I asked him and I asked Doc if he can get on the if he wanted to be on the We Are Legends stream team, because I thought he would fit really good. And he used to have a really good, not that he doesn't have a good time slot now, but he used to have a time slot that was late in the mind, so everyone was able to like host him up and stuff like that, and he got partnered. Not because he didn't get partnered because of our stream team. He got partnered just because he had a really good time slot. He stuck on the game that he liked, and he really likes Destiny, and he really just chipped it out. And at points in time, sometimes I'm inspired by him sticking to a game, even though most would have said was dying, dead, and all that other stuff, because a lot of people didn't like Destiny, but he showed that if you stick to what you know and what you actually like, he actually likes Destiny. Like when I talked to him about it, I was like, how did you do that? Because a lot of Destiny casters that I saw that I talked to, they were just waiting for another DLC or something like that, but he literally stayed on that game until and he still stays. I'm pretty sure he's still playing it. So like, and now there's extra DLC, and he's probably like, you know, one of the go-to people for it, so that's pretty good. Oh, I get both of these for free. I like free. I like it for free. I'm assuming he'll get different stuff as the thing goes on as well. Grab grab all 4 of my Ratchet Clank games. Deadlocked was the one I enjoyed the most. Yeah, I'm gonna play Deadlocked as well. You know what I mean? When you host someone, basically, it's like you give them your lurkers, and it gets added onto your view count. And basically, not only that, but the people in that channel can now watch from there.
We must split up here.
Yeah. Well, I guess it's time to put on the Tyhrra, guys, and go meet my new pals.
Good luck. I will assist you if I can. Perhaps you should have read the instruction manual. It was nice knowing you, Ratchet.
Oh God. But it's kind of like I forgot what I was saying. That was really weird. The stream of the person, you know. Oh, yes, I was talking about hosting. Yeah. So basically, you can watch that. So let's say cool ways to do it for like smaller casters and even sometimes bigger casters. Oh fuck. Oh. Did not know that was like a one-hit kind of thing. Oh, I'm timed. And we got Jack2744. Thank you so much for that follow. Okay, I got it. Thank you so much for that follow, man. Yeah, Clank time. Oh, the banana. And
no
he just
monkeying around. Monkeying. Ahem. We are on an important mission.
and Farico done Saya with that follow.
That little sucker will chase bananas any place you shoot him. Give it a try.
Look at that Supreme Tech. Hey, can he turn that off?
Clank, if the guards discover you, just shoot a banana and have the monkey distract them.
That's so stupid. How you feeling there?
I need
that
you
magic.
to extend the bridge at junction G5.
Okay. I have, okay. Hey, what's up, homies? Yo, look at my hops. Yo, what up, player?
Ratchet, I found some online instructions
Oh,
for the Tyhrra
shit.
guys. Let's see. When you speak to a Tyhrranoid, you should see a holographic display. Just tap or hold the correct button as it moves across your display. Watch what you say, though. These guys have really nasty tempers.
Alright, let's play Parappa the Rapper. Let's do it. Sir, would you kindly open that door for me? It's an honor to imprison my Tyhrranoid brother. Thanks, player!
You will need to use the Tyhrra guys to infiltrate this area.
Wow. That's insane. Okay. I still have my soundboard, so I can still add in sounds every once in a while. Hey, what's up? Didn't know that was like that. My bad. Monkey abuser. Yo, what's up, player? Let's talk this out. I have to deliver a message from Dr. Nefarious. You look suspicious. Who are you? I said, I'm Michael Jackson. I'm Lois and certainly not a Lombax. Very well. One can't be too careful. So stupid. Come on. Don't tell me, but I hid 5 butts under this girder. Ah, sucker, it's all mine. Alright, we got it. Now we're back to Clank. Did he do anything? You're not that dumb, huh? Oh my fuck. Come on, man. Can't you stop the beam or something? This thing definitely moves faster than I do. Okay, I'm just really stupid. I need to... Don't make fun of me. You know how rude that is? Making fun of people? Oh, the homies.
Look, Gadgebots! I love those little guys. To give them command, just hold triangle and select a command with the left analog stick.
Thing stop? No, it doesn't. Alright. There we go. Oof! My little homie's fighting. Wait, and then we shoot the gun. Oh, get him. Hold on, I gotta get this money. Hold on, let me just get this money though. Alright, cool. And attack. Alright, there we go. This is perfect plan. Cork is the man. Does that bring it up? Okay. Got all my homies with me. No, don't do it. No. Get off, get off. No homie gets left behind. No homie gets left behind. Okay, there we go. Except you, really. We don't really care about you.
That gate with the...
I know. Alright, there we go. Jumpers. Like a... Oh, okay. What I have to... Woo! You see that? That clutch? I see that clutch? Hell yeah, they ready to jump on a fool. Hey, what's up, player? What you got for Christmas? You got up, square down. Oh, shit. Orange crouton, zoom, zoom, butterscotch. My bad, my bad. I pressed it too quick. Compared to Hollow in the break room. About time we missed yesterday's special Agent Clank episode. Why are they watching Agent Clank? The poor little guys go. I know. Hey, what's up, player? How you doing? Up, down, square, left. Hold the triangle. Hold the up. Oh, I love this sweet smell of lilacs in spring. Wait, why did I mess that up? Because I've been playing too much fucking Injustice. Oh my god. That's not even the game. This fucking not Injustice at all. It's Mortal Kombat. Would you mind extending the bridge, sir? Give them clearance. How you know I can trust you? I'm about to show you why. Dude, I got all the trust right here. Oh my god. That's what it, that's the button on there we go. Cause I'll give you my sister's phone number and I'm definitely not in Lombax. Why didn't you say so? So stupid. MLG clutch! So that can be opened by our enemy robots. Exactly. What up, Firebrand? What's going on? You mad, bro?
Well, what took you so long?
Clank, what are you doing here? You're supposed to meet me on the surface.
I thought I would help.
Well, you can give me a hand searching Dr. Nefarious' office. Let's see.
Wow, look how many videos Clank
this.
has.
The complete Secret Agent Clank Holovid collection. This guy's your biggest fan.
That is rather disturbing. I have downloaded an encrypted star map. Perhaps Al can decode it.
Great. Let's get back to the Phoenix.
We definitely should be able to bust this up. No? No. Whatever. I don't want to mess up anything anyway. Geronimo! Big porn collection, you wish. What, Clank's laugh? Clank laugh is pretty good. It's a pretty good laugh. Dude, we're falling for like 8 years. Now I'm free. Free ballin'. No, give us free. Give us free. Oh my god. How many crystals are in this game right now? Please. I do not want to just go on a loser spree and farm this out right now. Yeah, I do. That's exactly what I want to do. How much is it? Please tell me.
Whoa.
Scooby-Doo left? It is a little bit.
Oh, it's you two again. Right on schedule. This here is one of the nastiest, smelliest sewers in the galaxy. Most guys wouldn't set foot in a place like this, but me? I just can't get enough.
Right. Well, we were just passing through. You can get back to whatever you were doing.
Hey, if you find any sewer crystals, I'll pay you for them in bolts. I'm making something special for the missus.
Sewer crystals. Uh-huh. We'll keep that in mind.
So they're 2,000 a pop. That's so fucking tempting, dude. Alright, so we got Agents of Doom now on deck. When does season 3 start of what? E-boy, what's going on? I know it's a curse being poor. What? Oh, you mean your box top? It started on April 10th. Alright. Agents of Doom, my word. Do they have the thing where the map shows up? There's usually like a map that you can get. Oh, there's like some free ones just kind of sitting around. Is that? And I know these guys. Oh no, I can't use the Agents of Doom in here. Oh god. I'm gonna whip you to death. Whip that ass. Alright, nice. Level 3. So now, look. See, now it's level 3, so now it's blue. That's just cool. Like, the more you use something that you like, the better. That way. Crystal. It's like the perfect time to upgrade to like the whatchamacallit though, the suck cannon. How big is this place? Dear God. Oh my God. Oh, it opens from the other side, I guess. Dude, this place is huge. Okay, so they do have the map. Okay. Oof. Oof. Alright, whatever. Alright, so I just want to trade him some, and he's gonna let me know how many there are.
Ah, fresh from the bowels of a king amoeboid.
Oh man, that doesn't even take that long to do. Maybe later. That's so much free money too. So much free money. And they also give you something for it too. The water temp. Well, I always hear about that stupid Zelda. I did never like Zelda. Sorry. Sorry, shoot me. I know. How do you not like Zelda? I challenge you to Mortal Kombat. I know. I know. What are we gonna do? Alright, so everything's good to go. Travel to Slim Cognito. And then that's how I get to the sewer. Okay. Got it all figured out, baby. Well, collecting all, good luck with collecting all the sewer crystals? That's not that hard.
Sorry to disturb your work,
classes?
sir, but you may want to know that your impenetrable secret base on Aquatos has been penetrated.
Impossible!
If you say so, sir. They apparently stole some sort of data disk. Well, I must be off now. Dirty laundry and whatnot.
Who is responsible for this outrage?
I believe it was a Captain Quark or something.
Oh, Janice, you'll always be the love of
I love this guy. I like Dragon Ball Z.
You really should have that looked at.
That moron could never hope to match wits with the likes of me.
If anyone can beat a moron at his own game, it's you, sir. He
Oh
has
my God.
assembled a group of elite agents known as the Q-Force.
I love the butler.
But this Q-Force must be stopped. Destroy them, eradicate them, annihilate them all.
It's on my to-do list, right after folding your undergarments.
Doesn't even wear clothes. So weird. Dude, Diablo was like broken. It's like so broken. The Super Nintendo had a lot of good games. What? Are you talking about a specific game on the Super Nintendo? Because I read it. Well, playing on the Super Nintendo, you didn't have a lot of good weapons. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a part of the conversation. I hope I'm missing some of the conversation.
Well, team, I believe some congratulations are in order. After all, my plan worked even more perfectly than expected. Well?
Way to go, dude.
Don't mention it. I'm just doing my job. Now that I
Wow.
know where the Tyhrra-nese are coming from, I can put a stop to this alien menace once and for all. With utter disregard for my own safety, I've drawn up an
I agree with
ingenious
E-Boy.
plan for an attack on Tyhrra-nese.
I agree with E-Boy.
First, I shall humbly step aside, allowing Ratchet to free fall down and take out the mortar launchers at the landing site.
There we go.
Once the mortars have been silenced, the dropship will make its descent. Next, Ratchet will take the assault vehicle from the dropship, make his way to the 4 plasma cannon turrets, and destroy them. Once the turrets have been knocked out, Ratchet will personally lead the assault on the main enemy base.
These drawings, yo.
Let's get to it. Yes, you there in the front.
Yeah, hi. I was just wondering, what are the rest of you gonna be doing while I'm down there getting blasted?
We'll be monitoring the situation closely from here. Actually, we'll be down at the lunch buffet on deck 5. It's Meatloaf Day. But we'll be rooting for you every step of the way.
Yeah, man, we got your back.
Yeah, the plan is excellent.
This fucking bullshit. They're such dicks, yo. The absolute worst. DBZ and Naruto are like
A
weed,
new
but there's
suit of armor
other.
is available at the Gadgetron armor vendor.
Yeah, that's like the
Ratchet,
worst.
That new armor suit for sale at the vendor is constructed from
That's like the worst
ionized
thing.
adamantine alloy. That's
You
one of
compare
the
it to like
hardest
drugs.
substances in the galaxy. But I suppose you already knew that.
Always get the new armor. Armor boy, he can't afford it. See, I need to go. Whatever. I do like my blue plasma whip though. It looks sexy. All right, I do like to go armor over weapons though. And getting the Super Nintendo, you can buy it and plug it into your console and play shooter games. You pick skills at a certain OP items, and I'm gonna attack faster and fuck shit up. Yes, there we go. Because nobody ever wants to do that. Look, I look at it. It tells you things are optional. Or are there more challenges there? Did they already upgrade the challenges? Probably did. I'll probably go back there a little bit later. Looking for poo hype. I'm not gonna do it now. I might do it later though. I might like do it later. Maybe. Go Garen. Go Mage, dude. Wasn't Mage in like Witch Hunter? The Witch Doctor, sorry, like the most broken thing in that game. Like, completely broken. HP regen goodness. Go ahead, Cash, risk your life. I'll monitor the situation. Thank you, E-boy. Should be a commander one day, bro. Alright, here we go. Let's not get hit. I think I used to die on this one, if I remember correctly. Welcome to my back. Alright, there we go. Now I'm free. Free ballin'. Yeah, and he died. Fuck. Is there like a dodge? The best part is that you can't even see, like that's kind of silly about this game. That they're all coming from like this area, but there's no mortars in this area, which looks just really, makes it look really ridiculous. But who am I to judge? All right, let's do the Ages of Doom. Yes. Oh, they automatically explode on things. All right, so going to this area, do we unlock something else? Yes, we did the Annihilator. Dude, things are fucking expensive. Holy. Wow, things are expensive, dude. I remember these Ages of Doom like getting really broken. Like ridiculously broken. Like like killing bosses broken. Something like that, like stupidly broken. Not gonna lie, my little soldier guys are doing massive work. You can tumble. Oh, what is that? Isn't that the bounty hunter? Dude, if they keep doing so much work, my guys won't level up because they're killing everything. That's 4, 3. Let's try this. We're good. Get the infector up. Wolf. Demon Hunter, yeah. Holy damn, dude. Oh, I blew up something. E-boy, you have a great night, man. Thank you so much for stopping in. Goodbye, my friend. And now it's time to go.
Nice work, Ratchet. I'm coming in on the dropship now.
Oh, calm down, baby.
Go, Ratchet. Get across that bridge.
To access your world map, press select or R3.
Yep, because this is the game where you had multiplayer. Because I remember how chaotic it was on this map. Alright, I'll drive that in a second. Whee! Oh, it shoots automatically. Swag. Swag. I never done. What's up, Santana Jesus?